Hi everyone, it's Rachel and I'm back with you today for another one of my polymer clay charm collection videos. So today I'm going to be showing you everything that is in this charm collection box, and these are all the charms that I've made for my personal collection in the years 2017 and 2018. If you haven't already seen my other charm collection videos, I'll leave those linked down in the description box for you to check out, and you can binge watch them if you like. Before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to also subscribe for lots more crafty videos. All the sections in this box are kind of categorized into like different themes, but as it got towards the end of the year, I kind of started running out of room in particular spots. So if, for example, you see a charm that doesn't fit, like a dinosaur in with the food, no, I don't plan on eating dinosaurs, it's just where he ended up. Also, most of the charms in this box I actually do have videos on, but I'm not going to leave those all linked down below because that's like 2 years worth of content. So feel free just to browse through my channel and find the videos that you can. So I'm firstly going to start off with the pieces that don't actually fit in the box because they're larger figurines and don't really have a place anywhere. So first up I have these two dolphins jumping out of a shell. There's this orb with a succulent garden inside. A cat beach figurine, and this is also made out of UV resin as well. And then also 3 larger donuts with some different designs. Now starting off with the charm collection box sections, I'm starting up here, and this is kind of a variety of different fruits and veggies. I have these kawaii cubed fruit charms. So there's a strawberry, a peach, watermelon, a green apple, a red apple, an orange, a lemon, a mango, and also a pineapple. There's these kawaii avocado best friend charms, a holographic pineapple, a Dan and Phil peas in a pod, as well as 3 different smoothie bowls. In the next couple of sections we have some different food related items. There's 3 waffles with different toppings, a chubby cat with a donut, an Oreo cat, a unicorn donut, unicorn toast, a scoop of ice cream with cream and a strawberry, a strawberry ice cream waffle bowl, red and green candy apples, a galaxy inspired lollipop, 3 decorated candies, a little pastel waffle, a poutine donut, 4 colour changing donuts, some nugget charms with different sauces, a decorated macaron, 2 different scoops of cat ice cream, a unicorn frappuccino, 2 snow cone cups, a rainbow one and a pink lemonade one, some different shaped ravioli charms, and this one is sad because it has a little bite out of it, a kawaii piece of garlic bread, a smoothie, a graduation cupcake, some nature themed loaded cupcakes, so this one's like beach inspired, and then these 2 here are kind of woodland inspired, a chocolate mint cupcake, this orange flavoured one, 3 dessert loaded cupcakes, this one is choc mint themed, chocolate, and chocolate caramel. I also have this one which is galaxy themed. There's this cute little cupcake with a rose on top, and also this Rudolph the Reindeer inspired one. Now moving on to the other donut charms, I have these ombre winter inspired ones, a unicorn cat donut, a pastel pumpkin one, these rainbow ones with different toppings, so there's strawberry, orange, lemon, lime, blueberry, grape, and chocolate. I have a holographic donut, 2 galaxy donuts, this one's just a regular one and this is a pastel galaxy, 2 simple pink donuts with some different glitters, mermaid donuts, these 2 kawaii donuts which shift colours as you move them, and finally a succulent donut. So that's it for most of the food items. Now moving on to this section up here, which has a bunch of different stars with different expressions. Moving on to this next section down here, this one is more just random objects. So I have 3 kawaii plants, a cat cactus, 3 crystals, a kawaii Australian flag, US flag, and Canada flag. I have some different pastel shells with glitters on them, some stars that I used for a kawaii face tutorial, a kawaii pastel radio, some cherry blossoms, a kawaii rain cloud and storm cloud, chocolate Easter eggs, some different space themed charms, kawaii rainbow stars, a holographic pokeball, a pastel galaxy star, these 2 stars with Dan and Phil's pin-off whiskers, and also a YouTube inspired star. This next section moving across is different festive charms. So I have 4 cubed Halloween charms. There's a Frankenstein's monster, a black cat, a pumpkin, and a kawaii candy corn. There's a Christmas tree cupcake, Christmas inspired chocolate bark, this little Rudolph the reindeer chibi, a kawaii stocking, a Christmas pudding cupcake, some Christmas holly, a candy cane frappuccino, some glittery baubles with different expressions, a Christmas snowman, as well as some kawaii peppermints. So moving on, these next few sections are animal related. So first up, I have a whole bunch of different hedgehogs. First up, I have these 2. I have a galaxy inspired one, a purple one with gold tips, a succulent inspired one which is green with red tips, a unicorn hedgehog, these 2 pastel ones, a regular brown hedgehog, a rose gold one, a pearly blue one with gold tips on the spikes, and finally this one covered in chunky glitter. I have these cat best friend charms, a cat in a present, a kawaii bee, this dog, this cat in an oversized Christmas sweater, this black and holographic dragon, this black and holographic unicorn cat, a flat-back pusheen charm, 2 chubby dinosaurs, a cinema roll ice cream stack, a kawaii Yoda, this bunny with a carrot, these koalas, a koala hanging off a gum tree branch, 2 snow leopards, a chibi Baymax in a bear costume, 2 chubby narwhals, a kawaii puppy, a garden gnome, and a kawaii woolly sheep. This next section here has some different cupcakes that I made for a video where I show people how to make 12 different types of polymer clay icing. So I have these ones and also these ones. This next section has some polymer clay and resin pokeball charms, a Christmas scene in a bottle cap and the lake changes colour. I have this Christmas puppy figurine, a penguin snow globe shaker, as well as just a little piece of the pastel glitter galaxy mix. Finally, moving down to this bottom row, I have a Toothless the Dragon cupcake from How to Train Your Dragon, I have a potted cactus with a cat hanging off it. This penish corn, which is a mixture between a unicorn, a marshmallow and a pineapple. I have this kawaii pastel gumball machine. A miniature koi pond. A meringue bunny figurine for reaching 90k on Instagram. I have this kawaii succulent. 2 succulent chubby dinosaurs. 2 holographic succulents. A succulent garden in a shell. A beach succulent garden in a bottle cap. This large regular succulent. A miniature succulent garden in a bottle. A bear in a strawberry charm. A fortnight first birthday cake. This witch fairy cat with resin wings. A pastel bunny fairy. And a pastel cat fairy. A pineapple panda. This chubby dinosaur which I made blindfolded. A chocolate drip cake. And a Christmas inspired chocolate drip cake. This glittery unicorn ornament. These donuts which I made in a timed challenge. These kawaii presents from a challenge. Polaroid cameras from a challenge. As well as these kawaii Christmas trees from a timed challenge. I have this polymer clay bead necklace. And then the final thing I have to show you for this video today are these fortnight supply llamas. And there you have it, that is everything I have to show you for my 2017-2018 polymer clay charm collection. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and maybe got inspired by some of the charms that I showed you today. If you did enjoy the video, again, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!